Thumper, you getting a massage?
Hey, Thump. She burp yet?
No. I think she did. I don't know.
Are you gonna burp?
She still has milk on the back of her, or is she just wet? I think she's just wet.
She doesn't have milk on the back of her. We need to put the milk right there. Unless she's
just wet.
Oh, look at her. She's learning how to sit up so she can feed right.
Thump, 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 thump. Thump, 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 thump. Thump, 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 thump. Thump.
Are you just done? Are you done, little girl? She looks about done. She looks like she's ready to take a nap. I do wear rocks. I gotta get stuff ready for in the morning. I gotta. Aww.
You gonna be my brown-eyed girl?
She's not going to have brown eyes.
She is going to have brown eyes. I can see it.
Okay, we'll see.
If you look up
Turn her back around.
If you look up close.
I'm not going to do that.
See her brown eyes.
Girl, are you a brown-eyed girl? Are you a green-eyed girl? Like your parents?
Brown-eyed girl.
Oh, you know what I bet is showing? You know how if you look at Cookie and Milky's eyeballs, and they have that
I need to burp.
That outer part to their eye, and then the green. I think that's probably what's showing. We shall see, little Thump Thump.
Stop. Thumper, stop.
Okay, I think that's enough. Quick.
Thumper.
I think that's enough.
Thumper.
It's been like 2 minutes. Just give her some sugar.
Oh, sugar, huh? You know, I love you, even though you smell like placenta.
Dude, I can't give her a bath till 8 weeks.
You a placenta cat? More kitty kisses.
Alright.
Stop giving me kitty kisses, man. I'm gonna blush. You want a finger? No, you don't want a finger right now? Finger? Come on. You just want one on my finger.
You know, you need to be careful because when her teeth do break through, they're going to feel like needles on your flesh.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's normal.
No, she's tired. She had a burp.
Stop sneezing on me, okay? This is not kosher. You pee on me, and then you sneeze on me, and then you do everything else.
All I see is your hands. Move your big hands. All right, we'll pick her up. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, little baby girl. Bye-bye.